Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make this yummy and delicious banana oats muffins. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hello, today I am going to make banana oats muffins. The ingredients we need: 3 medium sized banana, it has to ripen very well, 1 cup oats, I took rolled oats, 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, half a cup sugar. You can have white sugar. Today I am using brown sugar. Half cup cooking oil or any flavor oil you like. 1/3 cup mixed nuts. 1/4 cup milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. These are the ingredients we need. In another mixing bowl, add 1 cup of oats. We need to make all our dried ingredients ready. Then 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, pinch of salt and sieve well. After mixing all together, our dry ingredients are ready. Keep it aside. Now take another bowl. We are going to add the bananas. Then we are going to smash with a fork until it gets smooth. Now the bananas are mashed well. We are going to add sugar, then half cup cooking oil, mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, give a quick mix. Then we are going to add the dry ingredients little by little. Add little by little and mix well, then the batter will be ready. At last add the milk, mix well until the batter consistency. If the batter is too tight, you can add some more milk. I added 2 tablespoons extra milk for this batter. Now at last we are going to add chopped walnut and mix gently. Then we are going to transfer the cake mixture to muffins. Now my muffin tray is ready. I am going to transfer the batter to muffin trays one by one. You need to fill until 3/4. Now my cupcake muffins are ready. For baking. I'm going to add some pumpkin seed at the top. It's completely optional. And it's ready to go inside the oven. I already preheated my oven 350 Fahrenheit. Now my muffins is going inside the oven. We need to keep 25 to 30 minutes until it cooks nicely. We'll see after some time.
After 30 minutes, my yummy banana oat muffins are ready. I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.